अस्सलामुअलैकुम स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की वीडियो में हम 12वीं जमात के केमिस्ट्री के दूसरे बाब की सारी एक्सरसाइज को हल करेंगे। यूनिट नंबर 2, ट्रांजिशन मेटल्स। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Why is zinc not included among transition metals, although it is a d block element? A transition metal must have a partially filled d orbital in its atom or common oxidation state. Zen air 3d10 4s square. Zen 2 plus 3d10. Since both have completely filled d orbitals, zinc is not a transition metal, though it belongs to the d block. B. Correlation between variable oxidation states and electron configuration. Transition elements have ns and n-1d electrons with similar energies. Therefore, both can participate in bonding, allowing variable oxidation states. Example: Fe plus 2 plus 3, Mn plus 2 to plus 7. Ca. Why are transition metals effective catalysts? Give examples. They are good catalysts because they exhibit variable oxidation states, form intermediate complexes with reactants, provide active surfaces for adsorption. Examples: Fe in Haber process, V2O5 in contact process, Ni in hydrogenation of vegetable oils. Why is CrNe3 plus more stable than CrH2O6H2O plus? Ethylene diamine is a bidentate ligand that forms chelate rings. Due to the chelate effect, CrNe3 plus is more stable than the complex containing monodentate water molecules. Define a complex and nature of bonding. A coordination complex is a compound in which a central metal ion is surrounded by ligands. The metal-ligand bond is a coordinate dative covalent bond, where the ligand donates both electrons. Find it for FeCN6 4-. Coordination number is number of donor atoms directly attached to the central metal. For FeCN6 4-, 6Cn-. Coordination number equals 6. Define a bidentate ligand. A bidentate ligand has two donor atoms and forms two coordinate bonds with the central metal ion. Example: structure of EDTA and donor sites. EDTA is hexadentate. Structure simplified: HOOOC CH2CH2OOH NCH2CH2N. HOOOC CH2OOH. Donor atoms 4 carboxylate oxygen atoms. Total donor sites 6. Color wheel and complementary colors. Complementary colors: absorbed, observed, red, green, orange, blue, yellow, violet, blue, orange, violet, yellow. Define stability constant. KSTAB is the equilibrium constant for complex formation. Larger, more stable complex. Greater tendency to remain formed. K. Why does coordination number 4 have tetrahedral and square planar shapes? Cn equals 4 may have tetrahedral when ligand repulsion is minimized, usually weak field ligands. Square planar for D8 metals, Pt2+, Pd2+, Me2+, due to electronic stabilization. L-isomerism shown by TTNH3-2Cl2. This complex shows geometrical cis-trans isomerism. Cis, Cl atoms adjacent, trans, Cl atoms opposite. M. Medicinal importance of cisplatin. Cisplatin is an important anti-cancer drug. It treats testicular cancer, ovarian cancer, bladder cancer, lung cancer. It acts by binding DNA and preventing cell division. What happens when excess NH3 is added to COOH2? The precipitate dissolves, forming the hexaamine complex. In air it is oxidized to. Effect of excessive dilution on complexes. Yes, dilution decreases ligand concentration, shifting the equilibrium toward dissociation according to Le Chatelier's principle. Hence, excessive dilution reduces complex stability. Constructed response. A. Geometrical and optical isomerism. I. Geometrical isomerism occurs due to different ligand positions. Example: PT-NH3 class, PT class, NH3 trans, PT class class. Optical isomerism occurs when complexes are non-superimposable mirror images. Example: it exists as delta, lambda. These rotate plane polarized light in opposite directions. B. Reaction between Cu2+ and I-. Overall reaction: half equations, reduction. Oxidation: reverse of reduction. Reduction form: YED suggests reaction is not feasible. Negative indicates the reaction appears non-spontaneous under standard conditions. IH. Y reaction occurs practically. Cu plus produced immediately forms insoluble CuIs. Removal of Cu plus shifts equilibrium toward products, Le Chatelier's principle, making the reaction proceed forward. C. Predicting formula and charge of complexes. P. Co-NH3 6. 3 plus. Co-oxidation state, equal plus 3. PNH3 is neutral. Total charge, plus NH3, plus 3, plus 3. Therefore, co-NH3 6, 3 plus. Coordination number is 6. Example 2. P. FeCnX6, 3 minus. Each Cn negative 1. Each Cn negative 1, negative 6. Let oxidation state of Fe equals X. X minus 6 minus 3. X equals plus 3. Hence, Fe oxidation state equals plus 3. Coordination number is 6. Overall charge is minus 3. उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको आज का लेक्चर पसंद आया होगा। इसे अपने दोस्तों के साथ ज़रूर शेयर करेंगे ताकि वो भी इससे फ़ायदा उठा सके। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और वीडियो को लाइक करना ना भूलिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।